The answer will be displayed 10 seconds after each question. Don't forget to comment how many answers did you get right. Geeta Chandran is well known as A. Exponent of violin. B. Film director. C. Classical Carnatic vocalist. D. Bharatanatyam dancer. Correct answer is D. Bharatanatyam dancer. When and where was hockey introduced for women in Olympics? A. 1924 at Paris. B. 1936 at Berlin. C. 1908 at London. D. 1980 at Moscow. Correct answer is D. 1980 at Moscow. Potassium permanganate is used for purifying drinking water because A. It is a sterilizing agent. B. It dissolves the impurities of water. C. It is a reducing agent. D. It is an oxidizing agent. Correct answer is D. It is an oxidizing agent. What is the botanical name of a weed plant? A. Oryza sativa. B. Triticum vulgare. C. Ricinus communis. D. Pisum sativum. Correct answer is B. Triticum vulgare. The total number of judges of the International Court of Justice is A. 10. B. 12. C. 15. D. 18. Correct answer is C. 15. The first attempt in printing was made in England by A. Isaac Newton. B. James Watt. C. James Arkwright. D. William Caxton. Correct answer is William Caxton. Rajiv Gandhi, Prime Minister of India, was assassinated in A. 1961, B. 1971, C. 1981, D. 1991. Correct answer is D. 1991. Taj Mahal is situated on the banks of which river? A. Ganges. B. Yamuna. C. Tapti. D. Kaveri. Correct answer is B. Yamuna. When was the first open heart surgery performed in India? A. February 15, 1961. B. January 11, 1985. C. August 12, 1991. D. June 20, 1990. Correct answer is A. February 15, 1961. Presently known as the European Union, the EEC was established in A. 1957, B. 1958, C. 1959, D. 1960. Correct answer is B. 1958. Which launch vehicle is capable of placing around 1,540 kilograms of INSAT class of satellites in geosynchronous transfer orbit of the Earth? A. GSLV. B. ASLV. C. PSLV. D. SLVS. Correct answer is A. GSLV. When does Russia celebrates its Independence Day? A. 8th October. B. 9th August. C. 12th June. D. 14th November. Correct answer is C. 12th June. Guarantee to an exporter that the importer of his goods will pay immediately for the goods ordered by him is known as A. Laissez-faire. B. Letter of credit, LC. C. Inflation. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Letter of credit, LC. When did US astronauts Neil Armstrong and Edwin E. Aldrin land on the Moon? A. July 21, 1963. B. July 21, 1969. C. July 21, 1970. D. July 21, 1972. Correct answer is July 21, 1969. Which is the gas used for making vegetables and Vanaspati from vegetable oils? A. Hydrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Nitrogen. Correct answer is A. Hydrogen. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization was created in A. 1945. B. 1947. C. 1949. D. 1951. Correct answer is C. 1949. Chlorophyll is a naturally occurring chelate compound in which central metal is A. Copper. B. Magnesium. C. Iron. D. Calcium. Correct answer is B. Magnesium. One people, one state, one leader was the policy of A. Stalin. B. Lenin. C. Mussolini. D. Hitler. Correct answer is D. Hitler. The first nuclear power station of the world is known by which of the following names? A. Sibirskaya Nuclear Plant. B. Kolskaya Nuclear Plant. C. Abninsk Nuclear Plant. D. Akkuyu Nuclear Plant. Correct answer is C. Abninsk Nuclear Plant. The range of R.B.C to W.B.C in the human body is A. 1. 500. B. 5. 500. C. 15. 500. D. 10. 500. Correct answer is A. 1, 500. Which of the following is not an isotope of hydrogen? A. Tritium. B. Deuterium. C. Protium. D. Yttrium. Correct answer is D. Yttrium. Gravity setting chambers are used in industries to remove A. Suspended particulate matter. B. Sulfur dioxide. C. Nitrogen oxides. D. Carbon monoxide. Correct answer is A. Suspended particulate matter. Which one of the following rivers crosses the equator to ice? A. Nile River. B. Zaire River. C. Niger River. D. Amazon River. Correct answer is B. Zaire River. Who was the first chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission? A. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. B. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. C. Dr. C.V. Raman. D. Dr. Homi Bhabha. Correct answer is D. Dr. Homi Bhabha. In which direction the Earth rotates around the axis? A. West to east. B. East to west. C. South to north. D. North to south. Correct answer is A. West to east. Thank you friends for watching the video. Don't forget to click on the like button. Please subscribe for GK Frog for more general knowledge videos.